This is a test of the emergency alert system. Remember, this is only a test.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. Test of the emergency alert system.